We start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And we have been looking for buy since the price was within this one. And there was opportunity to look for buy from here. This is what we get. But now the question is, what's the next? Whether we can look at this one as a flat and the price can take the lowest price of this correction. That means from here we can look for sell, or this is a short-term sell and we can expect this one to take correction relative to this for the next move. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and based on daily chart, we have been looking for buy as a reversal. As we can see, the price broke the tag the lowest price of this correction, following by divergence. This is what we're looking for. And based on daily chart, we're looking for 19 following by 23 cents as a target, but we don't see any trade setup, any opportunity for buy as a reversal yet. And in this case, we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart. And right now, from what we can see here, whenever we see this kind of the move, technically we can look for one more drop. Okay. Now the question is how to look at the chart if we zoom out. Okay. And because we had the divergence, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. Now the question is, can we expect this one to turn flat and for one more drop? Yes. That's why from now we can look for sell from here. Any opportunity for sell from here, we will take it. And we have to see the breakout of this low. If the price could break, then we keep the trade. If not, or even if the price broke, following by divergence based on lower time frame, we see this one turn to flat. This is where we take with the trade and we can look for buy. That's why selling from here, we can look for sell, but we need to be quite careful in case, because if we put this low relative to the previous one, we see we had a divergence, and even based on MACD, we can consider about the divergence. How about if this is the three waves and this is the start of the up move and this is the correction relative to this? Okay, that's why we are not really interested to look for sell. This is what we can see based on forward chart. Then how about if I move to 1 hour chart? All right, even if anyone wants to look for sell, we can look for sell? We have to wait for the price to drop sharp flag, we take the sell. And I don't think so we can get a really good opportunity for sell within this one. Okay, having entry below this, I won't suggest it at all. Why? Because if the price tag the lowest price of this one, we can look for the divergence and we can expect this one turn to a correction for the next move. Then if anyone wants to look for sell, any sell within this one is a short term. It depends on the strategy they use, and with the breakout of this low, we have to move our stop loss to break even. Then if the price continue, then we keep the trade. If not, we see the reversal, we take out the trade. Then from there, we can look for buy. This is what we're looking for. All right. Now, can we look for buy from here? If we want to look for buy from here, we have to wait for the sharp move flag. This is the only option. Having entry above this, I won't suggest it. We're looking for buy. The only thing is we're looking for the proper trade setup. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup yet. That's why for me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to see the next drop before I take the next trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We're looking at this correction. We want to see whether we can get an opportunity for buy. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.